Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the device is Unreachable Windows 11. To start, click on Start and select Terminal Admin. Choose Yes to open this. Here, scan the file system, execute sfc/scano, press Enter. You can see the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. At end, verify if apply any repair on the system. To complete, restart the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.